Hello, in this video I would like to share with you how I calculate number of stitches from my sample. I highly recommend always to make a sample before you start actually making, before you start your big project. And I do recommend you to cast on a number of stitches that will equal to 2 patterns and make 2 patterns in a height. So here I have my sample of 32 inches and I washed and dried it. So it is very important to wash and dry your sample after you completed it, as it is recommended by manufacturer. Now my 32 inches plus 2 edge stitches are measured 18 centimeters in width or 7 inches. So here I have to write 32 stitches give me 18 centimeters or 7 inches. I want my blanket width to be 90 centimeters, or this is 1 yard actually, 1 yard. Okay, and I do not know how many stitches that I need to cast on to get 90 centimeters. And this is a very easy way to calculate. So make sure you write stitches under stitches and centimeters or inches under inches. Do not cross write them, okay? Always follow that rule: stitches under stitches and measurement under measurement. So now this equation, stitches are equal 90 that go across on the other side, and this is 90 centimeters. You multiply diagonally on the number of stitches of your sample and divide by 18, or number of centimeters, the width of your sample. And now I have to calculate that. So 90 I have to multiply by 32 on my calculator. So 90 multiplied by 32 and divide by 18. It gives me 160 stitches. I didn't take into account 2 edge stitches, but I always have to add 2 edge stitches. So total number of stitches that I have to cast on will be 162. If your sample has 20 stitches and it measures, for example, 11 centimeters, and you want your project, for your project you need to start with say 56 centimeters, and you do not know how many stitches to cast on, you do the same thing exactly. So this question, number of stitches, will equal 56, so you go on the other side, 56 multiplied by number of stitches of your sample and divide on the width of your sample, 11 centimeters, and that will give us number of stitches that we need to cast on. Let's calculate that. So it's 56 multiplied by 20 and divided by 11. It gives us 101.8. So I would recommend you to make it 102 stitches. If number after dot, after point, is above 5, you add 1 stitch to your total number of stitches. So 102 stitches plus 2 edge stitches. So total number of stitches will be 104. That's what you will need to cast on. So I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.